Okay guys, in today's video I will be doing some sound clips of my factory intake where I have removed the factory piping and the intake resonator, and it is basically a free cold air intake. My car is a 2009 Honda Accord EX sedan 4-cylinder, and I used to have a K&N short ram intake. I have a few videos on my channel of that on the car and why I removed it about a week ago. If you'd like to go check those out, I'd be highly appreciative. And basically what we have here is a free cold air intake where all the piping is gone, and it's literally just the about 2 or 3 inch opening on the bottom of the airbox there. The cold air intake that I had obviously made a way better sound, but if I really punch on the gas you can still hear it. So I hear that with the stock intake box here, it's less power than the K&N, which really isn't much anyways, and most people just do it for the sound. And get some sound clips here for you guys on a long stretch that I have near my neighborhood, and hope you guys enjoy. And I thought I'd show you guys what the K&N short ram intake looked like just for visual reference. Okay, we're back in the garage after those runs, and with the iPhone camera here, which is what I'm using to take these videos, the sound quality isn't incredible, and inside the car it's a little bit muffled obviously, and I put the windows down, but there was too much air movement and the camera was picking up the sound of that more than the intake. But from my ears, me having the cold air intake, it was very obvious and loud, and this almost sounds like completely stock to me. But it does have a little bit of a roar to it if you really tramp on it. Way you hear the intake growl. And with the K&N, if you are thinking about getting it for sound reasons, then I would definitely do so if you have the extra money. And I mean, there was a little bit extra throttle response, not a lot, but I definitely had a little bit of high-end power. Not a lot, but a little. And for that first run, I did a pull in second gear, and then the second run, I was in first gear and hit 6,000 RPM at that, and that's where you heard the sound there pretty clearly. But again, please check out the rest of the videos on my channel, guys. I would highly appreciate it. And that is all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next one.